Hey guys, welcome back to the videos. If you guys are new, my name is Mike. So some of you guys have been asking me and commenting on my last Instagram post, and it was, to be honest, a little bit depressing. If you haven't seen it, I'll put a picture of it up right now. And in this video, I'm gonna tell you why I posted that and what I was really talking about. So first of all, we have to go all the way to where the Evo is stored. I could drive my Evo, but I can't because of my steering wheel. Yes, it is delayed. The dude said it is gonna take like a week, and it's taking much longer than that. And don't get me wrong, I want to drive the car as much as you guys want to see it again, because I haven't heard it start in months. Well, I've sat down in it, but it didn't have a steering wheel, so I mean, like, it didn't get the full effect. As you guys saw in those previous shots, there is like barely any snow left, but I just can't take my Evo out because I don't have a steering wheel. And it's like, it's like really frustrating that we're ready to take it out for once the car isn't ready. There is literally no parking here. Actually, it's a full house. So I finally found parking. We're inside the parking garage once again. So go check out Ariana and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Sometimes moving forward is taking a step back. So this is the car. And you guys were really positive and really hyped up on the carbon fiber hood, and I am too. But here's how the car looks now. It doesn't have a hood. There is no hood on the car whatsoever. And I'll tell you why. Alright, so first of all, I just want to thank you guys for being really positive with the channel, and we hit 4,000 subscribers, which is something I've always dreamed of. I never thought I'd hit 4,000 subscribers this fast within just over a year. The anti-gang, anti-perfect society, whatever you want to call it, we grew 4,000 subscribers. And I just want to thank you guys for being so supportive with all my videos, liking my videos, with whatever I upload. For me to see people who are actually interested in what I upload, with what I make, with what I'm doing, personally, I think that's really cool. Alright, so back on track. Why I took off my carbon fiber hood. Well, what do I really want to do with my Evo? I did say in a previous video that you should build your car with budget that you're given, or you know, the budget that you have. Everyone has budgets, and that's really true. But I was thinking, what do I want to do? Am I making a race car? Am I making a show car? And after I asked myself that, I think I found out what I really want to do with this car, and I want to make a full show car, of course, while still having it relatively dailyable, and it's not like a pain in the ass, for lack of a better word, to drive. I know there's tons of show cars out there that are just so impractical, and it's just a pain to take the car out. You just love the way the car looks, but it's just such a pain to drive, and that's not what I want with the Evo, because that's what the Evo never was. It was a car that was full function. It was a car that they raced, that they competed with. It was really a platform that was function over form, battle ready per se. I do really love the hood that I bought, but I feel like I want to go a different route with my build. I believe that hood was made in the United States or something like that, wherever Sabon or VIS is made. Same kind of price range per se. Same kind of class of carbon fiber. For this car, I want to go the extra mile, and I feel like I want to start buying parts from Japan for this car, meaning that the hood that I may be purchasing later on, as soon as I sell the carbon fiber that I have now, of course, I'm still gonna build it to my budget. Like, I can't dump like 50 grand in just aesthetics and the engine and shit like that. I literally don't have the money for that. If it's a part, like for instance, if I saved up a certain amount for a certain part, and the one from Japan is just a little bit more, I would go that extra mile. You really do want to buy a carbon fiber hood and other parts from Japan and make this a really deadly looking Evo. And That's what I really want to do with it. With that being said, if I were to buy that particular hood right now, it would literally take them like 4 or 5 months or something like that for it to get here. It's like legit from Japan, and it's not off the rack or off the shelf parts. Like, they literally have to make everything by hand. Once you guys see it, I swear to God, it's gonna blow your mind. It's unbelievable, the workmanship, the fitment, the craftsmanship, and it's from Japan too. I haven't decided on what brand, since there are a few brands in Japan. I've been shopping around, I've been looking around, and yeah, I really want to get parts from Japan. So yeah, that's basically what I wanted to say in this video. Once again, I'm not too sure about the steering wheel. It's literally supposed to be right here, and it's missing. It's not here. I have an airbag, but airbags don't steer cars. I really want to drive this car so bad. Oh, and just to think that it's like the weather is basically ready for this car. I might need to wait another week or two for me to be able to drive this thing again. I hope you guys are as pumped as I am to get this ball rolling, because I mean, the interior of the Evo, if you guys don't remember, okay, the lights don't work, I forgot there's no battery, but if you guys don't remember, the interior, it's already JDM as fuck. If you can see that, the back as well is the same pattern. So close, literally like 2 weeks. I'm going out the wrong way. Literally like 2 weeks until I can take that thing out. Then I'm pretty sure all the snow would be gone, because it is supposed to warm up this week, so it won't be like 2 weeks until we can take it out. Like, this is what I mean. Like, there's still snow, but the roads are like dry. But when this melts, it goes like... But yeah, enough about me rambling about cars and stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to leave a like, subscribe, and join the Annie Perfect Society. Peace out, and make it happen.